Karen's carrot cake. It is delicious.
Gonna be making T's birthday cake, his favorite carrot cake, and I shredded the carrots. About 8.5 ounces of shredded carrots are finely shredded, so I have used the ones that you buy already shredded at the store, and that will probably work too, but this works better.
4 eggs. That's a pretty expensive ingredient there.
It is anymore. 1.5 cups.
Into the old mixer it goes. Round and round and round and round. Seen that a few times on these videos.
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Is that Molly's
I'm
vanilla?
using Molly's wonderful vanilla. Thank you. Thanks, Molly. I'm going to mix 2 cups of flour in a separate bowl while that's mixing. One and a half teaspoons of baking soda. Half. All right, that was 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1.5 of baking powder. And then we've got a teaspoon of salt. And then we've got, I put a tablespoon of cinnamon, because we do love our cinnamon. You put in a little more, oh well. And then half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I do love nutmeg, but it is pretty powerful, so I'll just go with the half. It's got fruit and vegetables. And that's it. I'm going to pour it in the pan.
This happens to be one of my favorite Karen kitchen recipes.
It was a bestseller at the kitchen. All right, I'm going to pop it in the oven, 350, leave it in there 45 to 50 minutes, probably more like 50, but There we go.
Aren't refrigerators great? Look at all the stuff we put on. You know, I bet we're not unique in the way that our refrigerator looks. Even Karen and I got a spot on the refrigerator. The place of fame, I suppose.
Yeah, and go down a little bit to the last one.
And as we go all the way down, of course, the stuff we use, and yes, it's Karen's rules. Karen's rules, rule number 1, Karen is always right, and rule number 2, if Karen is wrong, see rule number 1. It's exactly what I follow. Break time. Time for coffee. And the verdict is?
Not yet.
What you doing, hon?
Well, 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of butter, and it's got to be, I'm getting it out now so it will be nice and soft by the time the cake is cool enough to make the frosting.
Oh, so this is the frosting.
The frosting, the cream cheese frosting. All right, now we're going to make the cream cheese frosting. That's what really makes this taste really good.
Well, the cake itself is really good, too.
Well, yes.
And it's nutritional.
It's the topper. Oh, of course. Oh, and so's the frosting. Cream cheese, yeah.
Is that butter?
It's butter.
Butter.
Half a cup of butter, 8 ounce cream cheese.
Is there a science to how you do this?
No. Although I do try to spread it out, because once you try to smear it, spread it on there, it does stick to the top of the cake.
So there is an art to the icing.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, you've got, and you're an artist.
Oh, yeah, I'm the art.
And you're the baker.
I am the baker.
Is that perfect?
I just like doing it. Yep, should be good. Yep, pretty good frosting. All right, voila, it's done. So now we're just gonna cover it, stick it in the fridge till tomorrow.
Well, what happens tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're gonna celebrate your birthday. Yay!
Well, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, to me?
Yes. Stick it in the fridge.
I'm gonna eat my birthday cake. This is the famous Karen carrot cake. I hope it passes the muster. It does.
Happy birthday!
It didn't pass the mustard. It passed. It passed the mustard.
Oh boy.
It's good cake.